happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're enjoying your day whether you celebrate or not. Me personally, I've pretty much been single AF like my entire life, so I don't really celebrate. But today's video is going to be a fun one, and it's going to be about like some self-love. So it could be for any of us, single ladies or taken ladies. And this video is going to have a giveaway that has 3 winners, so that is super exciting. So today's box is an adult subscription box, so if you're uncomfortable with adult content or under 18, which analytics say 0% of my viewers are under 18, but just gotta put it out there, feel free to click away. I have many other videos you can watch. So yeah, today we're going to be unboxing the Sassy Box, and then we're going to go over a fun giveaway with 3 winners. I am super excited. I don't think I've ever had a giveaway with that many winners. So thank you, Sassy Box, for sending me this box and helping to host this giveaway. So Sassy Box, as you already kind of know, it is an adult subscription. You get 3 to 5 items, and they're all full size and they are adult themed, and it's all about helping enhance women's sexual health and wellness. So this is a box created by women for women, and I think that is amazing. It costs $39.99 a month. There is a 15% off code if you want to subscribe. I'm going to leave all this information down below. The box comes very discreet. It doesn't say even Sassy Box or anything on there. So yeah, just this cute polka dot box. Nothing about it suggests adult theme, so you don't have to worry about that if you're embarrassed about, like, you know, your postal worker, your neighbors, your family, whoever, your roommates, whatever. So yeah, let's get this box open and see what's inside. And then we will talk about the giveaway. Alright, so when I open up the box, this is what it looks like. There is a card here that gives us some more information about the box, but here is a little sneak peek. Okay, and here it does say the 15% off code. It's Kitties15. Again, I'm going to leave all of the information down below. So about Sassy Box, created by women for women to enhance their sexual health and wellness. Sassy Box is a monthly subscription service that provides a wide range of products and resources for the couple looking to spice up their sexual experiences. Once you've signed up for your subscription, you'll get a monthly box in the mail discreetly delivered to your door. The box will contain 3 to 5 premium adult sex toys, including role-playing devices, creams, and body products. Adding interesting elements into the bedroom provides a sense of curiosity. After all, you are experimenting with different sensations and products to assist in exploring your sexual fantasies. When you subscribe to Sassy Box, it's almost as if you're signing up for accountability of your sex life. And then it talks about when you're in a relationship, it's uncommon for sparks to fly at the beginning, or it's not uncommon for sparks to fly at the beginning. You're both in a lustful state of mind. You crave each other, and life is filled with passionate lovemaking sessions. However, as the honeymoon phase wears off, it's easy for many couples to get stuck in a rut. While sexual intimacy won't keep a couple together, it truly is a very important part of a relationship. That is why Sassy Box is your answer. Don't underestimate the power of a healthy sex life. Yes, that's true, whether you're alone or with someone else. There is a card in here that talks about the things inside. So it's $100 or more value for $39.99. Shipping is always free. And then it says, welcome, bam, thank you for subscribing to Sassy Box. We're super excited you've joined. And let's get started. The first thing I see here, this is Renegade Stamina Rings, super stretchable. So it looks like there's 3 rings here. The ultimate accessory for prolonged pleasure, super stretchable to fit all. Combine multiple rings for customized sensations, made of body safe TPE and suitable for all lubricants. See if it has more information on the card here. So a versatile trio of super stretchable multicolored cock rings. The Stamina Rings offer 3 distinct sizes to combine and experiment with, each boasting a varying thickness and intensity to suit your desires. Enhancing his erection by mildly grasping the base of the shaft to enrapture blood flow within the penis, he will experience a noticeably harder, longer lasting erection for prolonged ejaculation and increased stamina. I'm probably just gonna get demonetized for that statement, but that's okay. Oh my god, there's a lot of things in here. So they do have some like condoms in here, which I love. They provide that, and like little samples of lubricants. We have 3 condoms here. Wicked Sensual Cure Aqua Strawberry Flavored Water Intimate Lubricants. Here's another little lubricant, liquid personal lubricant, aloe and vitamin E, smooth and silky like. And then, this is fun, oral sex dice. So it says lick, suck, blow, or kiss. So lick, not luck is in the roll of the dice. So this is like a fun game. It's the game where everyone wins and you always get lucky. I like that. So this is for fun-loving couples who don't mind leaving a few things up to chance. So oral sex dice are a must-have. The sexy red set of dice contains 2 pieces, one with orally centered actions on one and a body part on the other. Roll both, see where they land, and then follow the instructions for an unforgettable night. Ooh, the next thing looks super fun. This is by Kale Exotics. This is Thumper G. So this is luxurious silicone, 3 powerful speeds, and waterproof. This is a vibrating toy. It's called, yeah, the Thumper G is the name. It says 3 intense speeds of vibration, a thumping teaser, luxurious silicone, satin finish controller, safe for use in and out of the water, body safe, unscented, phthalate free, and there's easy push control. So it's 3.75 by 1.5 inches. Take it out. So this is what it looks like. And it says, a decadent royal vibe with a silky silicone finish and full coverage shape. The curvy Thumper G features a dual stimulating shape, luxurious silky touch, and 10 toe curling functions of vibration. Ideal for toy beginners and perfect for stimulation seekers of all varieties. Thumper features a curvy, lightly textured shaft plus a sexy, up-reaching clitoral stimulator. A simple push button on the base cycles an impressively quiet, intensely powerful motor through 3 possible speeds of steady, unrelenting vibration. Oh, and there's one more of these little lubricants. It's called Joe Lube Condoms and Lube. So it's food grade ingredients. And then we have some suckers in here. And it looks like we have like a flogger. So a fetish fantasy flogger, a super soft, ultra lightweight flogger in miniature with classic styling and a forgiving touch that certainly has the potential for some serious string if desired. This beginner geared bondage staple is great looking, ultra manageable, and fits into tons of sexy scenarios. A good handful of leatherette strands are anchored securely to a firm wrapped handle that allows for precise maneuvering, tickling, teasing, and more enthusiastic flicks. So that was everything that came in the box. I think this was really great. I love that they included a toy. This seems like a really good high quality one as well. We have the dice, which is fun. We get not 1 but 3 of these rings, and the flogger, and then some condoms and lubricants, and some suckers. So now let's talk about the giveaway. So 3 winners will get this toy right here. So this is by Kale Exotics, so the maker of the other toy as well. And this is the Silhouette S6, the Shape of Pleasure. So this says 10 intense functions. It's 100% waterproof, luxurious, body safe silicone, and it is USB rechargeable. So talks about more things here. It has 1-year warranty, instant on and off button, security travel lock, ergonomically curved body forming massager. So let's take this out of the box. So it just opens up just like that. I think that's cool, it's rechargeable. So inside here we have the toy, and then here's how you charge it. It does feel really nice, and like the top kind of bends. So there's like a little button here. So yeah, I will have to get this charging. So 3 of you, 3 will win. I feel like I'm giving the gift that'll just keep on giving. So we're gonna have this open to subscribers. So with all my giveaways, it's super easy to enter. For this one, you have to be 18 years of age or older. But the #1 rule, you have to be subscribed to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. You can leave any comment. If you need an idea of what to comment, you can let me know what your favorite item was in this box or what you did to celebrate Valentine's Day. We'll have this open for, how about the rest of the month, since it's the 14th today. I think it's a leap year, so we'll have this end Yeah, we'll have this end, how about on the 28th, so in 2 weeks, and then I'll pick a winner on leap day, whatever, the 29th. And yeah, so I'll leave all the information down below on how to enter and all of that, along with how to sign up for Sassy Box and the code to save 15%. Thank you again to Sassy Box for providing me with this box as well as the giveaway. This is super fun. Can't wait to use everything. It's gonna be a good time, and I can't wait for you guys, 3 winners, to get this as well. So yeah, love you guys so much. I hope you're having a great Valentine's Day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.